Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to talk about this cookie stack and grow a garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the plants from this Christmas update and I'm going to show you guys how you can get this plant. If you want to get the cookie stack, you need to get the Santa surprise present first. You can go to the Christmas shop. Wait, I'm going to go to the Christmas shop and then I'm going to show you about the Santa's surprise present. Okay, you can buy the Santa's surprise present right here and you will have 24.23% chance or possibility to get the cookie stack. Okay, and I have already bought the Santa's surprise present and I got this cookie stack seed. And you can also join the Christmas harvest event to get Santa's surprise present. And I'm going to show you guys how this plant looks like. Wait. Okay, this is the cookie stack. This one. Oops. This one guys, this is the cookie stack. And I'm going to show you the base value of this plant. Where is it? Oh my god. Okay, this is my cookie stack and I'm going to check the value guys, how much this is worth. And oops, sorry, let's click on this option. Oh, okay, the value is around 20k shackles. And yeah, not bad. And okay guys, that's all about this cookie stack and grow a garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.